Hello everyone, it's Chat again. Many of us are feeling the pinch due to what's going on right now. Some of us can work from home as usual, while others may see some reduced income. Sadly, some will lose their jobs. However, there are many ways you can earn money working from home and that you can take up rather quickly. In this video, we are going to look at 5 areas where you can perhaps pick up some extra income or other rewards. Be warned though, these are by no means get-rich-quick schemes, and as such, they require some perseverance to crack. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of this type of content. Alright, here we go. Number 1. Sell, sell, sell. Now that you have plenty of time, you should no longer put off selling things like clothes, shoes, electronic devices, home accessories, and you can also sell digital products online, and I have some videos on how to make digital products and where to sell them. The links are in the description, so go ahead and check them out after this. In this digital age, people resort to online shopping, and now is the time to start. To name a few, sites like eBay, Etsy, Amazon, Jewelry, Zazzle, Redbubble are great to start your online shop journey. And these are not the only sites. There's a whole lot more out there. So start researching which company or site that you want to explore further and start from there. Number 2, Tutor. Many parents are struggling with homeschooling at the moment. So moreover, there are countless people at home looking to earn new skills to alleviate boredom. So why not offer your services through a site like Symposium or VIPKid? You don't need to be a teacher or a bona fide expert, but you will need to be skilled in something. You could teach people other language, you could teach English to those who don't speak it, a historical topic, cooking, even how to swing a golf club. Whatever your particular skill is, people are hoping to learn, and you can get paid for it. Affiliate marketing, another one that takes perseverance, but that can yield significant profits. Affiliate marketers promote products through blogs, social media, YouTube, and so on. They'll have agreements with the product owners to earn a commission for signups. A good example is the betting and gaming industry. Also, you should again be aware that you can't just wave a magic wand and expect results. You need exciting content and a genuine passion for what you're doing. But let's say you are a keen poker player. Why not put that passion to good use and start producing content on it? Number 4, surveys. Most survey companies will pay small amounts of cash or give you other rewards if you take some time to provide them with the data they require. The rate can change from about $1 to $20 per survey, but it's more likely to be in the lower end than the upper end. It's crucial to understand, however, that you need to put a bit of effort in here. Indeed, you'll need to treat it like a real job to start making money. Good companies will reward you for your efforts, however, possibly bumping up your fees or giving you the choice of the best surveys. InboxDollars, Swagbucks, and Price Rebel are good places to start. Number 5, video game coaching. Spent the last decade playing games like Call of Duty and Fortnite? Well, you can monetize that expertise by offering players tips and coaching them on their gaming. People have been using freelancer sites like Fiverr to tout their skills on video games, charging between $15 and $35 per hour to help budding gamers with their skills and strategies. Gaming is seeing a bit of a spike now that many of us are locked away at home, so there could be a growing market of newbies looking for some advice. There you have it, guys. Be positive at this time of crisis. There's a lot that you can do at home. Start with this list, and I know you still have more time to check out my other videos on how to earn money online, sell digital products, and such. I will leave the links in the description below. And please don't forget to share this, subscribe if you haven't done that already, and smash that like button. Truly appreciate your support. I will see you in the next video. Bye!